Many people believe mutual funds are risky. They hear words like market crash, volatility, and loss. Those words sound serious. And anything that moves up and down feels uncertain. But most fear does not come from experience. It comes from not understanding how something works. And when we understand something clearly, fear begins to reduce. A mutual fund is not a gamble. It is simply a pool of money collected from many investors. That pooled money is invested across different companies. You are not investing alone. You are participating together. This structure spreads exposure instead of concentrating it in one place. Instead of buying a single company, your money is divided across industries, across sectors, across different types of businesses. If one company underperforms, others may perform better. This does not eliminate risk, but it reduces dependency on a single outcome. And that reduction makes a difference over time. Each mutual fund is managed by professionals. Their job is to study markets daily. They analyze company performance, economic conditions, financial reports. Their responsibility is allocation. You are not required to track everything yourself. There is a structure in place that handles decision-making. Risk does not mean guaranteed loss. It means price movement. Sometimes up, sometimes down. Short-term fluctuations are normal. They are part of how markets function. The real damage usually happens not because of movement, but because of emotional reactions to that movement. Over longer periods, markets have historically grown. Businesses expand. Earnings increase. Innovation continues. Time allows recovery from temporary declines. The longer the investment horizon, the smaller short-term noise appears. Time does not remove volatility, but it reduces its impact on long-term growth. Mutual funds are not about quick profits. They are about disciplined participation in structured, diversified investing. When you understand the mechanism clearly, uncertainty feels manageable. And when uncertainty feels manageable, confidence increases. Understanding replaces fear. And clarity supports long-term decisions.